We're going to take the boat over to Dubrovnik this morning. The 9:30 boat. They pull in right on time. Must be a cruise ship in port every single day. Today is a Seabourn Odyssey. Big ship. There's Dubrovnik straight ahead. Someplace, isn't it? You can see people already walking the walls. It's, I think, 2 kilometers around the entire perimeter of the walls. I'm trying not to get mixed up into one of the ship's tour groups, but we just came through one of the gates. It is so Venetian looking when you walk out into the square. Just beautiful. You can see how jammed the old city is. It's not a very big enclosure. 10 o'clock in the morning, it's almost jowl to jowl already, and this isn't even season. The season starts June 15th. Aren't these great streets? Morning market going on here in the square. We just found out that sometimes 3 or 4 cruise ships come in a day. I can just imagine disgorging thousands of people into this little tiny section. That's the Anaforio fountain. 16 spigots. Water in Croatia is drinkable, and I'm going to prove it. Good. Thirsty. The fountain that I was sitting at is the end of an aqueduct that comes from 12 kilometers away. It was completed in 1438. It's an elegant little masterpiece, decorated with ornate dolphins. Once you get outside the old city, very compact and easy to walk around, there is a cable car that takes you up to the top if you choose. People trying to make their own coin by smacking it with a sledgehammer. It's like lots of luck. That's where we are over 1, 2, 3, and 4. So simple to walk around the city. Would probably say if you were seriously walking and not even looking. It even tells you follow the blue lines for the express tour, 30 minutes. Yellow takes an hour, red takes 2 hours. The map right next to the layout shows the amount of bomb damage that was done between 1991 and 1992 between Yugoslav Serbs and the Montenegrins. St. Xavier is closed right at the moment. We're standing at one end, and that's the other end way down there. Like I said, very short distance. I would have to say not even 3 blocks from one end to another. Next to St. Xavier is a Franciscan monastery, which I think has the oldest pharmacy in Europe. The monastery is open from 9 until 6. On the street, the first level above the plaza, it's wall-to-wall restaurants. To the right, to the left. This is the Bucha gate. Number 43 on the map. Bus number 10 back to Satat stops right at the base of the cable car.